Hi, today we are going to start with this tutorials or videos on SQL. SQL, as everyone know, this is very important query language that is used for database. It stands as a base language in order to work with a database. So we have seen, as you all know, like we store the data in different kinds of formats. Some stores the data in text file, some store a data in CSV file, some store a data in XML format, right? In the same way, some store a data into a database, right? So how do we retrieve a data from the database? So there should be some language that supports to retrieve a data from database, right? So that language we are calling it as a SQL, and the abbreviation stands to be as a structure query language. Okay, and what all we are going to cover in structure query languages are, so it is mainly focused on commands. So we are going to use a different kinds of commands in order to work with the database, right? The first one comes into the picture is data definition language commands. It's all defines about the definition related to a data. So what kind of data you are going to store, you are going to define a properties related to that particular data. Okay, then next is data manipulation language. So once the data is stored into the database in the form of tables, so how do you retrieve a data from a particular database, or how you are going to modify the data, or any other business action you are going to do, that comes all into a data manipulation language commands. And transaction control commands, so these are like how you are going to do a transaction level set of commands you'll be combining together, and you're going to take an action. So it all will be at the transaction level. We will discuss in detail about this. Okay, so these are the three different commands we are going to see in the upcoming session.